Welcome to Tactile Carry, where we explore the world of everyday carry, one budget pocket knife at a time. Whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting to build your perfect EDC kit, you've come to the right place. Today we're unboxing something new. Will this be the latest addition to your rotation? Who knows? Let's find out together. Stay sharp and let's get into it.
All right, we know what day it is. NKD, New Knife Day. Look at this guy. This is not new. That's 3 months old. This is a Kizer Drop Bear with a Nitro-V blade, AZO. Super sharp. It's not huge by any stretch. You see this. And, it makes a distinctive click. That sounds a bit different than what I'm used to hearing. Now, is that because of the Nitro-V blade or the weight of the blade? It's not big and thick and chunky. I don't know, but we're going to find out because guess what? I think there's another Kizer in here. I also think this new Kizer has a micarta handle. Micarta, what is that stuff? Well, oddly enough, it's bonded linen, canvas, paper, or fiberglass, or any of the above, which sounds odd. Linen, paper, fabric. Okay. Very dark. The funny thing is, and I'm going to show you what this looked like when it was new, it was almost an off-white. So it will absorb the oils in your skin and get darker over time. Or you take something like this knife pivot oil, or even gun oil, and just put a few drops on here and rub it in, and before you know it, it's brown. Now, something I haven't done yet is wash it off. It's not oily, it's not greasy, it's almost like there's nothing on this handle at all, but if I get a scrubber, I should be able to return it to its natural color. I may do that someday, and if I do, I'll mention it in this video or update this video. But for now, let's talk about this guy. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see what this looks like. Maybe we'll look at that swag later, but the Kizer Madrac, M-A-D-R-A-C, Madrac, and ooh, there's our micarta. I'll tell you, this is a little bit darker. Oh, wow, this is nice. I love that blade. This is a little darker than this Drop Bear was when it came in. But I guarantee you, if I put some oil on this, gun oil, pivot oil, something like that, or just use it a lot in my own hands, will darken it over time. Also feels somewhat light. If I can get some blade clink going here. All right, sounds a little more solid. Maybe that Drop Bear is more tinky, makes a tink sound when it smashes just because the blade is lighter and not because it's a Nitro-V blade. Anyways, let's see. I said it's not heavy. Let's see what it really weighs. I could look up the specs, but I want to know for sure, and we're coming in at 3.2 ounces. Okay, so not very heavy. It would take, 5 of those to make a pound. But, boy, is this sweet. But, is it sharp? Let's get the paper out. Oh, boy. Like most knives, you'd be hard-pressed to find a decent knife that comes to you with a crappy blade grind from the factory. Anyways, I may follow up on this. I don't know if I'm going to oil this. We may just let it go natural and darken over time just by handling it. Anyways, if you have any questions, let me know. I'll include a link to this and that Drop Bear in the description. And thanks for watching.